one day, this, I don't know what, raised the head and said, I have one idea. All the friends said, but what is the idea? And he said, I have no idea, but I shall search. That is the answer almost of Albert Einstein when some journalists asked him what is life, what was his life. He said, I have just one idea, one intuition, and after all my life, I have searched it. This, I don't know what, I don't know where, I don't know when, start all the big picture, all the big story. He creates. The big difference, our legitimacy to exist is we create. Creativity is everything. That's why now I shall try to explain you some different way of creativity. Because I am with Alzheimer a little autistic, I don't know what other people do. That means I shall show what I do. That will be a huge page of advertising, free, thank you. But I know only speak about that, and we shall, please, don't look at the project, just we shall try to understand how and why there is different way of creativity. That's why we shall start to be polite. Bonjour, always be polite. It's very, very important. After you remember, you have something like that. Yes. After my name, it's very important, remember this also. And now we can start. And that changed nothing. This thing is not ethical. Yes. This is a catalogue I have made some years ago, Good Goods, the catalogue of the no product for the no consumer of the next moral market. This after more than 20 years ago. We are now in the center of the subject. This catalogue was showing the product which deserve to exist. Not only the products which are made by very talented businessmen just to steal the money in the pocket of the people they call target consumer. Imagine target consumer. These people think all the day about the target consumer. The future of production will be split in two parts. The cynical, obsolete people who continue to think about target consumer, and the people who want really help their friends, their tribe, their family to have a better life. This way also, something simple, you make a flat bottle to put in your pocket to help people to stop to buy a bottle of mineral water, because never forget, mineral water is just water people stole from the nature, from you, to put in a bottle and to sell you the same water. We are a little stupid to accept. Like that, with a bottle like that, you go to a meeting and you say, hey, can I have some water? Blah, 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 and you have free water. Simple. Or it's a spray, a very technical spray, to avoid young people with a new trend. It's called binge drinking. Now people, young girls, young boys, drink and drink and drink and drink and drink as they fall. It's a real problem of society. And this spray gives you the idea, the mood, the feeling to drink a bottle of vodka, but at the end, it's just a drop of water. It's 10,000 less of drink of real alcohol, but that gives you the idea. I can understand you want to be a little cuckoo, you can, but you don't die after on your scooter. It's a small difference, but for the mother, sometimes interesting. This is a good example, the boat, the yacht of Steve Jobs. I have designed this. It's 6 years work to make the less possible, which is a paradox, because produce a mega yacht of 80 meters, thinking to make less, it's complicated. That's why 6 years of work, always to think in a philosophical way, in a religious way, how we make less and less and less and less. It's astonishing to see this boat, but you will never see it. That is the only picture I have, you can imagine. More stealth than this one, it's impossible. It's finished. Your brain, it's right, you see. Easy. And merci beaucoup, merci very much. And I was like that.